Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of small aquariums. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your first fish tank or an experienced aquarist searching for a compact option, we've got you covered. We'll be counting down the top 5 best small aquariums on the market right now, based on quality, features, and value for money. All product links will be in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the Middle Floating Breeder Box by Nest Basics. While this isn't a traditional aquarium, it serves a specific purpose: fish isolation and breeding. Designed for scenarios where you need to separate aggressive fish, hatch fry, or isolate injured fish, this 2-piece set comes with 2 mesh boxes, one with 3mm mesh and another with 0.3mm mesh. The mesh sizes ensure that baby fish are protected from both their mother and other tank inhabitants. The design is simple yet effective, with a floating ring that keeps the breeder box suspended at the top of your tank. This prevents the box from sinking, which is a common issue in similar products. The build quality is lightweight but durable, and it includes extras like baby fish feeders for precise feeding and waste removal. However, its clear plastic design can make it difficult to blend aesthetically with your main tank. This product is an excellent value for its price and is ideal for fish keepers who need a temporary solution for breeding or isolating fish. On the downside, it's not a standalone aquarium, so you'll need an existing tank to use it. Overall, it's a niche but incredibly useful product for specific needs. Coming in at number 4 is the Tetra 1-gallon half-moon small fish tank. This tank is perfect for beginners, especially those interested in keeping bettas. It features a unique half-moon design that provides an unobstructed view of your fish, making it a stylish addition to your desk or countertop. The clear plastic canopy includes a feeding hole, and the LED light is movable, allowing you to light the tank from above or below. However, it does require 3 AA batteries, which are not included. In terms of build quality, this aquarium is lightweight and compact, making it easy to move around. The plastic construction is durable but doesn't offer the clarity of glass tanks. While the 1.1-gallon capacity is ideal for bettas, it's too small for most other fish species. The tank is easy to set up and maintain, making it a great choice for beginners or as a secondary tank for experienced aquarists. On the downside, the reliance on batteries for the LED light can be inconvenient, and the small size limits your options for tank decorations and fish. Still, at just over $20, it offers good value for its intended purpose. If you're looking for a minimalist and beginner-friendly setup, this is worth considering. At number 3, we have the Aquanite 1.2-gallon aquarium. This compact and lightweight tank is an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking for a small yet functional fish tank. It comes as a complete starter kit, including a water filter pump, LED lighting, and even a couple of artificial plants. The filtration system reduces the need for frequent water changes, which is a big plus for those new to fish keeping. The tank's rectangular shape and clear acrylic material make it a sleek and modern option for desktops or countertops. However, it's worth noting that the pump requires a USB power adapter, which is not included, so you'll need to provide your own. Also, some users have mentioned that the water flow can be a bit strong for bettas, but this can be mitigated with a pre-filter sponge. Overall, the Aquanite 1.2-gallon aquarium offers a good balance of features and affordability. It's ideal for a single betta or a small group of shrimp or snails. While it's not the most advanced option on this list, it's a reliable and budget-friendly choice for small-scale fish keeping. Our runner-up is the Aquon LED Mini 2.5-gallon aquarium. This tank is packed with features, including Aquon's Smart Clean technology, which allows you to perform water changes in under 2 minutes. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a low-maintenance, hassle-free aquarium. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a tank, hood, elevated base, power filter, filter cartridge, fish food, water conditioner, and a setup guide. The tank is made of acrylic, which is lightweight and durable, though it doesn't offer the same level of clarity as glass. The rectangular design is compact and stylish, making it suitable for any room. The Smart Clean technology is a standout feature, especially for busy fish keepers who want to maintain water quality with minimal effort. While the price is on the higher side, you're paying for convenience and a well-rounded kit. This tank is perfect for beginners and experienced aquarists alike. On the downside, the included filter can be a bit noisy, and the 2.5-gallon capacity limits the types of fish you can keep. However, if you're looking for a compact, feature-rich aquarium, the Aquon LED Mini is a fantastic choice. Taking the top spot is the Nikru 2.5-gallon Nano Nature Aquarium Kit. This premium aquarium is designed for anyone who wants a high-quality, stylish tank that enhances their home or office space. Made from ultra-clear glass with 91.2% light transmittance, this tank offers an unparalleled viewing experience. The rimless design adds a modern touch, while the included leveling mat ensures stability. The Nikru kit comes with everything you need: a slim filter, a clip-on LED light, gravel, and decorative rocks. The filtration and lighting systems are both efficient and easy to use, making this tank suitable for beginners and pros alike. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the well-thought-out design, and the included step-by-step guide simplifies setup. While the price is the highest on this list, the quality and included components make it worth the investment. This tank is ideal for bettas, shrimp, or small schools of fish. The only minor downside is its higher cost. But if you're looking for a premium, visually stunning aquarium that's also beginner-friendly, the Nikru 2.5-gallon Nano Nature Aquarium Kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect small aquarium for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews. Let me know in the comments which tank caught your eye, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll see you in the next video.